The trend session system represents an excellent combination between the dynamic moving average indicators and trend oscillator. Besides, this system also examines the momentum behind the market trends, which generates an extra confirmation of the upcoming price movement directions. This system applies snake and T3 moving averages for plotting crossover signals. It also involves PANA trend arrows and crossover marks for confirming trend signals. The trend session vastly relies on the Heikin-Ashi Plus indicator for detecting the market momentum, avoiding main price candles. By signal generation with trend session system, when you're looking for a buying opportunity, first make sure the trend has got a bullish momentum. The Heikin-Ashi Plus candle turns blue and the snake MA moves above T3 for signaling a bullish trend. The system also plots crossover trend signal and PANA trend arrows pointing to a bullish trend direction. Moreover, the price should be rejecting the channel support and swing upwards. Finally, the trend session bars turn blue means it's time to go for a long entry. Sell signal generation with trend session system in a sell setup. The Heikin-Ashi Plus candle needs to be turned red and the snake MA should be moving below the T3 moving average. As you can see in the above image, the price rejects the channel resistance and starts to decline following the bearish crossover signal. During the same period, the trend session bars turn blue, confirming a sell order signal. Hold sell orders until the oscillator bar turn blue and the price rejects channel support at the same time. Trend session system, or Bandit Flash, is a trend following system for MetaTrader 4. Time frame 30 minutes or 60 minutes. Currency pair, Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar to Swiss franc. MetaTrader indicators. Alert buy sell indicator, closing indicator, days indicator, Heikin-Ashi indicator, hypersignal, mini, long trend indicator, PANA, power, price, Ranger indicator, time, trend session, snake indicator, T3 clean, rules for trend session system, open position, colored candles with the same color of the trend session indicator in the sub window, 2 chords, snake indicator and T3 clean open, they are indicator arrows white, exit position, indicator appears closing, white crossing, or use target profit and stop loss, profit target 30 to 50 pips. The trading sessions indicator, XC, trading sessions, shows the most significant trading sessions for the Forex market, such as London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. The sessions are presented as colored boxes on the chart, thereby clearly indicating open and close times of a particular session, as well as its trading range. How to use trading session time indicator in MT4 and MT5. As it has been already mentioned, trading session time indicator is both simple but flexible. With a few options, you can decide to draw lines, areas, rectangles. There are some generic options and some more specific for the desired function. Here you can see the list of all of its supported input parameters. Choice of color, you can choose the color of the indicator's drawings, so that it helps you spot what you're trying to spot. For example, you can make different colors mean different parts of a session. It is for you to simplify the chart's interpretation. Selection of days, you can enable or disable drawing for some days of the week. For example, you might want to disable drawing for Wednesdays for some reason. The indicator allows you to do that for individual days of the week. Drawing in the background, all the graphical objects are created in the background of the chart. This allows the candlestick to remain well visible on top of the trading session markup. Draw lines at specific times. If you specify a start time but not the end time, then the indicator will create a vertical line for every day at the specified time. This can be useful when you perform studies of behavior at specific time. MT4 trading session time indicator. As a trader, you might find useful to have a tool that shows you trading session times and other times of day. When creating an intraday strategy, you often need to pick the right time to enter and exit a trade. Your trading rules might be effective at some moment of the day and not at other times. Getting a visual representation of these sessions or times can be very valuable and can save you a lot of time. With trading session time indicator for MT4, you can draw an individual line at the time that you specify, draw a rectangle area between 2 times that you specify, add multiple sessions or lines by adding the indicator multiple times, exclude drawing for some days of the week, highlight with different colors of your preference, spot highs and lows of the sessions. The indicator will scan the chart and take care of the highlights. This can help in verifying if the entries or exits could be profitable. It can also help spotting movements that happen at some particular time of day. Conclusion: the trend session system is a multi-time frame trading indicator, so it helps to anticipate both intraday and day trading signals. The system is configured for